welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing another lip swatch video. If y'all don't know, I have not seen the first episode. I decided I want to randomly just lip swatch every lipstick in my collection to hopefully declutter, to throw away, or in this case for today's video, to introduce myself back into color. This was a really fun video. I didn't realize I had so many colorful shades when it came to this Wet n Wild collection. Yes, so I will be swatching all of the Wet n Wild lipsticks that I own in my collection. That's down to lip glosses, anything like that. If it was Wet n Wild, she swatched it today in today's video. Okay, so, and I am gonna say a lot of these lipsticks are probably expired. These were the original Wet n Wild lipstick when they first dropped in back in, I don't even know the year, but it's been a cool good 10 years probably for these lipsticks, and they're probably expired, and I don't care. I put them on my lips, they're on my lips, and then they're on my lips. So if you guys want to see the lip swatch and see how many lipsticks I did get rid of, then of course keep on watching. All right, so we are doing some decluttering when it comes to my Wet n Wild lipsticks. So I'm hoping maybe like a good amount of these are going to be Bye Bye Birdies, because these are some old lipsticks. I'm hoping my lips don't break out, but if it don't glide on like butter on my lips anymore, I am going to be getting rid of my Wet n Wild lipstick. So as you can see, I have a lot. I don't know if I'm going to swatch all of them in today's video. We're gonna see how far this goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch them, and I am probably gonna add lip liners after. We're just gonna let the music play, and I'm gonna insert the names and everything at the bottom of the screen. So let's go ahead and get into this lip swatching party. right, so that was definitely fine. I didn't realize how many colorful lipsticks I had from Wet n Wild. I think this was like the era of like color lips, so this was definitely like a trend. It was a thing. As you can see, I don't know if they didn't have any nude lips or if I just didn't grab it because I definitely believe back then for me, when it came to like introducing myself to like color lips with some actual shade on my lips, I stuck to pink, purples, and reds. So as you can clearly see, pinks and purples more of my favorites. So yeah, I don't even know if this brand, I think they definitely had nude shades, but I didn't know anything about that. I didn't know about lip liners back then. Like, I was a little clueless, okay? But I know now, I'm more educated, and honestly, these formulas still look really good. My lips still feel very hydrating, so I think I might end up throwing away 3 of them. I just haven't decided if I'm going to really do so. And the shade ones that I was debating on throwing away was the, I can't think of it, was like the corally red one. I was debating on keeping her. Now, it's not the first one, it was the second one. I was like, I don't know, I might get rid of that one because I don't see myself wearing her that often, but she looked really good today with the eye combo. So I don't know, it was definitely selling. And then this one right now, this is more of a softer shade, but then again, this is, I think I might keep her. For sure, out of all of them, the one I think it was like my favorite out of all of them. I didn't even get to swatch it, but I do remember doing a lot of videos using this shade. This was like the Candy Yum Yum dupe, and she was super duper bright pink, and she is definitely just like, I don't know if the camera picked it up, but it has all these like bubbles, and it just, I know that's not safe to put on the lips, so we're not even gonna try it. So I did manage to throw away at least for sure 1 lipstick out of the ones that I did show. So I don't know, y'all let me know if I need to keep all of them. Should I throw some away? I don't know. I can be like so like hoarder-ish when it comes to my lipstick, but I felt like they all look good. This is definitely how it made me want to do more lip colors on my lips, so I'm definitely going to be doing that because I forgot how much fun it was. Like, these were definitely like, hello, did we forget about color lips? And I did. So I will be taking advantage and using these lipsticks more often, so be on the lookout. I will make sure, I promise, to do some more colorful lips when I come to my makeup tutorial. So y'all be on the lookout. Hopefully my lips don't break out after today, but I don't think they will though. Usually I can tell right away when my skin is going to react on something that's not meant for my skin, but I think we're good. All right, let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm debating if I want to do my nude lip combos with Live Glam, or do I want to do Morphe? Y'all let me know down in the comment section which video you guys would like to see next when it comes to the lip swatching video. Look at these shades, y'all. Wow, wow. I don't even think they do this anymore. Because our Sesame Street one, I don't even, where's the swatch of that? She's nowhere to be found. Oh, she's way over here, that glossy one. She's more of a lip gloss, so she's not really a lipstick. So I don't know if they do this anymore. I don't even know if these lipsticks still sell, but if you got them, go get them. Go ahead, let's go ahead and wear some expired makeup. It's okay. Well, nobody know. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. And I'll catch you guys on my next lip swatch video. Bye.